Vivo has officially confirmed the launch of its latest mid-range smartphone, the Vivo Y300i, and it's set to hit the market on March 14th. While the company hasn't revealed all the hardware details yet, key specifications have surfaced thanks to China Telecom's terminal product library, giving us a sneak peek into what this device has to offer. At the heart of the Y300i is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, built on Samsung's 4nm process technology. This chipset features a dual-core A78 clocked at 2.2 GHz and a 6-core A55 running at 2.0 GHz. Places performance somewhere between the Dimensity 6080 and Dimensity 6100 Plus. But it's not just about performance. The Y300i also boasts a sleek and stylish design. Available in 3 stunning color options, jet black, rime blue, and titanium, the smartphone features a left-aligned circular camera module with a unique triangular camera arrangement, reminiscent of Vivo's premium X200 series. The straight screen is paired with a refined, rounded transition back shell, giving the device a modern and polished look. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone, the Vivo Y300i is shaping up to be a strong contender. With its powerful processor, eye-catching design, and thoughtful features, it's clear that Vivo is aiming to make a splash in the mid-range segment. So, mark your calendars for March 14th and stay tuned for more updates on the Vivo Y300i. For the latest tech news, reviews, and insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.